Beckhoff is the most family-oriented company that I've ever seen before. I walked in on my first day not knowing anybody, and 2 hours in, I felt like I've known these people for 10 years. They are the most advanced and most well-integrated.
All the employees, all of the mentors, they've all been so attentive to us. They're all extremely passionate.
I like that Beckhoff works, yes, with the programming and control side of things, but also with the X-Planar and XTS and even motion. You can actually see physical things moving based on the code that you write, which is pretty cool.
A lot of programming that I learned in my computer science major was very applicable to industrial automation as well.
The training is really good.
Every person I met, whether they're my mentors or not, they have been so helpful.
And I have to say that I am nothing but impressed by the way that Beckhoff has introduced us to their technology and their company. This first week has made me really look forward to what's left to come.